This tutorial review will show you how to fix iPhone charging very slowly problem. If your device charges slowly or won't charge, follow these steps and try again after each. Method 1. Check your charging cable and USB adapter for signs of damage like breakage or bent prongs. Don't use damaged accessories. Method 2. Use a wall power outlet and check for firm connections between your charging cable, USB wall adapter and wall outlet or AC power cable, or try a different outlet. Method 3. Remove any debris from the charging port on the bottom of your device. Then firmly plug your charging cable into your device. If the charging port is damaged, your device probably needs service. Method 4. Let your device charge for a half hour. Method 5. If your device is still unresponsive, force restart your device. Method 6. Let your device charge for another half hour. Method 7. If your device still won't power on a charge, take your device, charging cable and charging adapter to an Apple store or Apple authorized service provider for evaluation. You can also contact Apple support. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.